Hello, all. You must have seen the thumbnail actually. Yes, another good news from Swapple Facilitators and Promoters Private Limited. Our nurse Harati is traveling to Germany today, and it's been a very long journey of learning and achieving. So, I think this is going to be another story, another inspirational story for all the viewers and all those nurses who are not yet uh, decisive about their journey to Germany. So I think this will help them decide. Frankly speaking, this video was shot on a day when we had just returned from Germany, and I think there was a lot of jet lag. I wasn't really prepared for the video, but then I had to sit and shot the video. Shoot the video because Harati was here for the visa interview on that day, and this was shot at the VFS office. I mean, near the VFS office, in fact. So it's very raw. She also had traveled, had been waiting in the VFS queue for a long time, and then after all that, without any makeup, it's a very, very candid video, no preparation at all, very spontaneous video, and I'm sure that would be reflected in the video as well. I hope you all like the video. And at this juncture, I would also like to thank all our trainers, appreciate them for the hard work and consistently staying with us. And I'm sure this would not have been possible without their contribution. So they are a very important part of our success. And well, let's delve into the interview. Hi, hello, and welcome to Direct from Heart. Today we are with our nurse Harati Srinivasulu. So, what about Harati Srinivasulu? She is the next candidate going to Germany through Swapple Facilitators and Promoters Private Limited. And I'm proud to have here on the show on Voices of Women here today. Her journey is quite inspiring because you have to know her background and the struggles that she went through to be here today. Frankly speaking, she is here in Hyderabad today for her visa interview. She's got her visa appointment, and we came over here to meet her. And trust me, this is the first time I'm meeting Harati Srinivasulu. I have never met her in person, and we have just been conversing over the phone. So now let us know a little about her. We'll keep it very short. I'll ask her a few questions and she will probably give very short answers. Let us see. Welcome, Harati, to the show.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, and if you can introduce yourself a little for the viewers.
Yeah, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. I'm Harati Srinivasulu
Mm-hmm.
from Kuppam. I'm a registered nurse
Mm-hmm.
from NTR University.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I completed my graduate in Tirupati. I have 4 years of experience. One day, I decided to go to Germany and I want to work there. And my brother helped me a lot to this process. And after my B1, I consulted with Swapal facilitators. One of my sister recommended Swapal facilitators. After my B1, I got offer letter within 15 or 20 days. After that, I got my Besheda also. Then I completed my B2 also. Now I came here to my visa process and I completed my visa process also. It's going all smoothly.
Very nice, very nice. I think here she mentioned her brother actually encouraged her. Frankly speaking, I've been talking to a lot of nurses, and all the girls have a lot of dreams, but the family doesn't support. She is fortunate enough to have a family, probably a brother who is encouraging her so much, who is standing by her. Even today, he is here with her for the visa appointment. So
Yes.
I would actually encourage all the family members of nurses, not only nurses, any girl for that matter, who aspires to do something in life. Because getting married is not the ultimate goal in life. Tomorrow you don't know, you may force her into a marriage, but that marriage may not work for the girl. So it is important that you encourage your daughters to stand on their own feet and be independent and then get into wedlock. I think that's at least, even after she gets married, if she wants to work, I think the family support is very important. Okay, now fine. And now, Harati, how did you tips on how you completed your language so soon? I mean, she is one of the very quick learners. She's got very good expression skills. So I'm asking her for tips for as to how she learned the language.
Ma'am, I learnt German language through one of another consultant. After my B1, I learnt B2 self only, ma'am. I learnt through WhatsApp videos and YouTube videos, and Priyanka's sister also helped me a lot.
Very good.
She gave me all the tips, and I am very comfortable with you, ma'am. Uh, you gave me some suggestions and you motivated me a lot actually. Yes, Hardi, come on, you can do it. You said like that, and I want to go to Germany because of I want to support my family, ma'am. Actually, especially my
That's
brother.
right. I know.
He helped me a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Now he's very happy
I know.
with this
I can see
process.
that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And all my process also completed. Yes, ma'am. I'm
Good.
very happy with it.
Very nice, very nice. So if you see here, what the important thing that you have to note is a lot of people say that they cannot learn the language, and sometimes they blame the trainers. The trainers are not good, or maybe the number of hours of classes is not enough. Whatever are your complaints, she has done her B2 on her own, which means, see, learning is not something that happens only through classrooms. Okay, it's beyond that. Your effort, your determination, your enthusiasm is equally important. The trainers do only 20% of the job, the rest 80% is in you. Okay, so try to put in that effort. If you have a goal, try to work towards that goal. Do not give excuses for not achieving your goals. I think Harati comes from a very humble background. I don't know whether she has mentioned, but she has studied in a government school,
Yes,
she
ma'am. I
said.
studied
Yeah.
in government school.
Yeah. She is from a government school. You know the plight of government schools in India and what kind of facilities you get in a government school. So, being from that background, if she could learn B1 and B2 within no time, I tell you, within no time, she has learned it. And she has done excellently well in her interview. If she could do it, you could also do it. Okay, so I want all of you to get inspired through these stories. The whole idea of bringing on interviews on the channel is to motivate all those people who are thinking that they cannot do it. Okay, that is the purpose,
Yes,
Harati.
ma'am.
That is the purpose I'm bringing all these interviews on, because everybody has struggles. You work beyond that struggles. If you want to overcome those struggles, only then you can actually achieve. One last message, Harati, from your side
Yes,
to
ma'am.
all those people who want to go to Germany or to any other place or want to achieve something. What will be your message?
Ma'am, actually, I want to show my gratitude towards you and Nagaraj sir, ma'am. You teach me and you guided me a lot.
Actually, not
Actually,
much.
no, ma'am, it's much
Yeah,
only.
yeah.
And I recommend and I suggest all nurses to join in Swapal Facilitators. It is a very trusted company actually. I will recommend definitely to all nurses to join Swapal Facilitators, ma'am.
Okay. No, but apart from Swapal facilitators promotion, I'm not, no, the message, see, like, if you really have to work hard,
Yes,
a
ma'am.
lot of people drop. You must have seen among
Yes,
your
ma'am.
own
Yes, ma'am.
friends, lot of
Yes, ma'am.
people struggling.
Mm.
To all those people, what would you like to say?
Don't demotivate and don't quit your destinations actually. Work hard, definitely it will show a destiny. That is my motto always. I follow that. Thank you so much.
Very good, fantastic. So that's a wonderful message from Harati, and I think she has achieved enough. So for you people, there must be many people going to Germany. I'm sure people may think, what is there in this? But you don't know. There are millions of people who are also dropping off. Our purpose is to motivate all those people who think that they cannot do things in life. No, everybody has struggles, and the people who achieve should be a motivation. These are all simple people from your own backgrounds, people who come from common normal backgrounds, and they're achieving it big, you know so they're on par with anybody else. Once they go to Germany, you see our nurses, you have seen our videos with Karima, with Triveni, they're all doing so well. you know. So
Yes.
all these are success stories, inspirational stories, and I want every one of you to get inspired. Thank you, Harati, for
Thank
being
you
on
so
the
much.
show. She was very shy. Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so much, ma'am.
Harati.
Thank you.
And I hope you all like the video. I hope you all get inspired by Harati. If you do, please do not forget to hit the like button, share the video as much as possible, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you, bye bye, and see you soon.